Yo guys, Whiskit here, Christmas update, and this is my new bike, 2017 Trek with the 8. Specs are DMR grips, but I'm going to change them. SRAM Dior brakes. No, Shimano Dior brakes. 11 speeds. SRAM NX or GX gears. Onza front tyre, which is a first for me because I don't really run tyres like that. Standard discs, I'm going to be swapping them out. Maxell mudguard, a dropper which I've never used before. 11 speed, so that's pretty good. All stock parts. It's got a knock block stem, which means you can't turn the bars as hard. So frame protection, which is good, but it's kind of annoying. It's got Bontrager handlebars and a 35mm stem, but I'm putting a white hope parts on to make it look better. Forks 150mm pikes with ABP, active braking technology. So when you brake while riding, the suspension doesn't compress. It's got Super Deluxe shock from RockShox with reactive technology. And it's got the flip chip there, so if you flip it the other way you get more slack to make it like a downhill bike. RSP pedals, which I've never heard of, but they seem pretty good, so I might leave them on there for a bit. At the back it's got a 180 rotor, which is going to get swapped with a hope on. And it's got a big downhill 203 on the front. Might be a 180, I need to check that first. But yeah, so this is my new bike. Pretty good, absolute shred machine for me. Comment down below what you think I should do to this bike. Yeah, and that's it. See you later guys.